So it's the next day, and I'm so sorry this is so short. I wanted to fill you guys in on something. So some of you may know, some of you may not know. And I have been trying to conceive for a baby. I'm making some eggs. Been trying to conceive for a baby for a while now. And so we had an appointment today to find out why I was not getting any periods. It's been 3 months with no menstrual cycle. And I don't even know where to begin. So we're in this office. I took my urine sample like I always do. I put it in for Doc. We call him Doc. I'm not going to say what his name is or anything. But I put my urine sample in for him. And the lady came in instantly afterwards. She was like, you're going to see so-and-so today. So I was like, okay, cool. Sounds good. Shh. And so they come in, and the lady goes, I know why you're not getting your periods. And I was like, okay. And I was expecting her to say I had ovarian cysts or something. And she tells me, you're pregnant. I'm so excited. My husband is so excited. My daughter was so excited. I'm jumping up and down. I'm like, oh my God, Colt, we're having a baby. Oh my God, Colt, we're having a baby. All I could do is keep looking at him and tell him we're having a baby. Like, it's finally coming true. So she gives me a paper, which she wrote down to have me go get blood drawn and to see how far along I was. And I said, well, I just took a test like 2 weeks ago and nothing came up. It was negatives. I swear I'm telling you the truth. Well, then I also told her too how we've started to use a specific lube, I guess, that helps you get pregnant. I was like, oh my God, we've only used it 3 times. Like, oh my God. Well, anyway, today's day 13 for my cycle, by the way. Because I only spot, I don't have an actual period. And so I was like, oh my God, like, we don't have to try tonight or tomorrow or anything. Well, I guess we're going to be, because as I was leaving, the lady called me back and she goes, Rachel, can I talk to you? And I was like, oh yeah, sure. What's up? I went back there. She said, as she's giving me a hug, I am so sorry. We had 2 RDs that came in today because we just write our initials on a cup. We don't write like our birthday or anything. And she goes, and the one is an ultrasound because she is pregnant. She is almost 4 months along, and yours came out negative. I felt like I was going to cry, but I let it go because I was like, you know what? Maybe that's a sign from God and maybe a sign from everyone else that our time is coming very soon. I feel really good about this cycle. I'm praying, hoping that it comes true and it's going to be a Christmas gift for us and our families, especially for our daughter. She keeps telling me she wants a little boy, and she keeps pointing at my belly, telling me that Mommy has a baby boy in her belly. So I just wanted to like run you guys through that little shenanigan really quick because I was so hurt. I think that I was devastated. My husband called 2 of his friends who are really good friends. The one married us, and then he called his father, and then had to call them back and say, hey, listen, I'm sitting out in the car and Rachel just called me, and they told her that she's really not pregnant, that it was a complete mistake. And I understand mistakes happen all over the place, but that really hurt my feelings. Like, I don't know. It didn't hurt me enough to make me actually cry, but it hurt me enough to say, oh wow, so we have to keep trying by the time we do end up with another baby, something else is going on. But I've had pain so bad in my lower stomach, like around my ovary area, so bad for the last 4 days. It feels like I'm in labor. Actually, I think sometimes it feels worse than when I was in labor because I didn't really feel my contractions as well as most people would. So, but anyway, I just wanted to inform you guys of how my doctor's appointment went. And I hope you guys like this entire video. And give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you have not done so already. And until next time, God bless you. Bye.